Welcome to this explanation of elementary report cards on the Home Access Center or HAC. To begin, navigate to the Parent drop-down menu located on any page of our website. At the top, you'll see a link for the Home Access Center. Click on it. Next, click the button to open the HAC sign-on page. Here, you can either create a new account or log in to an existing one. Once logged in, you will arrive at the home page where the current grades are displayed. To view the report card, click Grades in the top navigation row, then click the Report Card tab. You will see each subject listed in the left-hand column. Under each subject description are the competencies or important skills your student will work on during the year. A key at the bottom of the page explains all the numbers and letter codes. In our kindergarten through second grade, students do not receive number grades. Instead, they are marked as outstanding, satisfactory, or needs improvement. Both reading and math indicate if your student is working above, on, or below grade level. Below all subjects, there's a category to track how students approach their learning. These categories are just as important as the subject skills. Elementary school is a time for students to not only learn the basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic, but also how to be successful learners. Third through fifth grade receive numeric grades like secondary students. The subject skills are listed under each subject. If there is no code for a skill in the subject, it means it hasn't been taught yet this school year. These skills will be built until the end of the year. Parents can print out the report cards from home using the print button on the right. This provides a neat view of each trimester during the year. At the end, there is an attendance report as well. Thank you for taking the time to gain a deeper understanding of the elementary report card.